In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a CSV file in Mailchimp. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Then next in the left panel, click on Audience. Then from here, click on Add Contacts. And for you to be able to upload your CSV file, click on Import Contacts. So from the options here now, once again, click on Upload a File. Then click on Continue. Now you can actually just drag and drop your CSV file in this area, or you can also select it directly from your computer's files. So select your CSV file and press open. Then next is click on continue. Next, select your audience or basically the audience where you want to add the contacts inside your CSV file. Then click on continue. Here you can also tag your contacts or group them by giving them tags, or you can also skip this part and click on continue. Now once uploaded, Mailchimp will then ask you to map the columns from your CSV file. For example, match the email column to the email address field and name columns to first name or last name. Then next, scroll down and press continue. Lastly, add or select email marketing status if they are subscribed or unsubscribed. Then click on Finalize Import. Now review the details of your import, then click on Complete Import. Once done, Mailchimp will then process the file and add the contacts to your audience list. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!